Okay, I'm just going to do a quick video on installing DNS on a Server 2016, the Core Edition. So, I've already installed DNS on this machine. So, to start off with, I'm going to uninstall it. So I'm just going to use the Uninstall-WindowsFeature and then put DNS. And it will uninstall it. Then I'm going to restart it. I'm going to stop the computer. And it's going to shut down. Then I'm going to just restart it. Slightly back up on my Hyper-V. It's just going to take a little while to come back up. Just get it back up full screen. There it goes. And I've just got to type in the password. And I'm back on. Okay, so I've just quickly uninstalled it just to demonstrate that as well. Okay, so I'm going to firstly, so on a blank server, you just type in PowerShell to get to the PowerShell menu. So I'm on to PowerShell. I'll clear the screen just so that I've only got that. And I shall have a look, just double check that there is no Windows feature. And I like the more function because it just stops it scrolling all the way down. So I'll press more. And can I see DNS? Nope, there's no X there. So there's no DNS server on here anymore. I'll use the Control-C like in old command prompt just to come back out of that so that I don't have to scroll down too many layers. Right, and then I'll use the Install-WindowsFeature DNS. Install Windows DNS. So it's just starting the installation. And this one is a pretty quick installation. And it shows me that it succeeded. There's no restart needed. And its exit code is success. So we know it should be there, but we might as well still use the Get-WindowsFeature just to triple check. So, and we can see an X in DNS server. Okay, that's it. That's how you install. Well, I've shown you how to uninstall, install, and just check on a Server Core Edition. Bye for now.